August of 2019, Wendy and I moved out of Seattle. Our yacht crew training in Florida didn't start for 2 months, so we decided to set out on an epic road trip across the western states, camping along the way. Here is our adventure. After camping overnight in Oregon, our first real stop was Salt Lake City for a few days, en route to a really cool site Wendy had found. Just south of us was an attraction called Homestead Crater Mineral Dome, where you can go cave snorkeling. We were really excited.
Oh, it's so warm in here.
Right? This is freaking crazy. Oh wow, that is cool. Wonder how deep this goes. It's intimidating. 65. That's dope. This was an extremely unique opportunity for us. The water was perfect, so if you find yourself near Midway, Utah, you gotta check this place out. From there, our next stop was to Leadville, Colorado to work 2 events and to camp out for a week. Leadville sits around 10,000 feet above sea level, and I will tell you, the altitude was really tough to get used to, but we did. The nights were cold, the days were hot, and the mosquitoes were aggressive, but the camping was great, as were the 2 events that we worked. But we were really excited to get moving on to Glenwood Springs. Hi, sweetums. Let's go to the hot springs. We love Glenwood Springs. It's a beautiful town on the Colorado River with a ton of fun things to do. Bike over to the many hot springs on the river. Go trail hiking, or check out the amusement park on top of Glenwood Caverns Adventure Park. As it turns out, one of Wendy's biggest fears is caving, or spelunking. To my surprise, she bravely booked us for an extreme spelunking tour in Glenwood Cavern to face her fears head on. Okay, Wendy, head first down that dark hole. What do you say? Well, wish me luck, because I'm going next.
This one's a little tricky to get going down first.
Yep, Superman it. That's ridiculous. Alright, I'm going in. It was a very extreme tour where at times you would need to squeeze through tiny passages, crawling on your stomach in near total darkness. It was awesome. The guide called me Adventure Boy because I was always the first to volunteer to shove down the tiny tunnels. Wendy liked it so much that it's now one of our favorite new hobbies. I was really proud of her. We left Glenwood Springs promptly because we had planned to go see the Perseid meteor shower in Moab, Utah, a major bucket list item for me. Moab really is a place meant to be seen in person and is so strikingly beautiful. But as far as camping goes, however, there's very little relief from the overwhelming heat. As for the fruits of our labor, there was a full moon all weekend and we were only able to see a few good shooting stars all night. And the camping wasn't great either. We were thankful, though, that the big pack of coyotes we kept hearing all night didn't find us. After a trip to the local museum, we decided we needed a break, so we headed out towards Las Vegas.